Good morning, children. Our today's topic is Maps are Guides. As you have learned in the previous videos that the globe is a model of the earth. It shows the position of the continents, countries and oceans. But details like states, cities, small towns and villages of a country cannot be shown on a globe. However, globes have certain limitations. Have a look. First, only half the globe is visible at a time. Children, due to spherical shape of the globe, we can see only half the globe at a time. To see the other half, we have to rotate the globe. Point number second, it cannot give correct idea of the distance between two places. Children, if we want to know about the distance between two places on a globe, then we will find it difficult because we cannot figure out the minute things on a globe as it shows complete model of the earth. For this, we have to use scaled maps. Third point, it cannot give details about a small area. Let's take an example to understand this point. Children, if we want to locate our city Udaipur on a globe, then we will find it difficult. Why so? Because a globe is the model of the earth and it shows the positions of the continents, major countries and oceans. It cannot give information about a particular area. Fourth point, we cannot figure out the type of terrain and landscape of a place on the globe. It is not possible for us to see the physical features like mountains, plains, deserts on a globe. To study about these features, we can use maps. To overcome from these limitations of the globe, we generally use maps. What do you mean by a map? Have a look. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Children, the earth's surface, either whole or part of it, can be represented on a piece of paper, and such representation is called as a map. The science of map making is called cartography, and a person who makes map is called a cartographer. Please remember these 2 points. Now, advantages of maps. First point, it gives more specific and detailed information about a small area. Children, earlier in the limitations of the globe, we have taken an example of Udaipur. Now here, with the help of a map of Udaipur, we can get detailed information about the different places of Udaipur. Second point, it can be folded or rolled and carried anywhere. It is very easy for us to carry maps from one place to another. Third point, it can be drawn to show the entire earth, a continent, a country or a state. We can use different types of maps to study about a continent, a country, a state, a city or a village. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.